Okay, and these bumps like are just watch out for potholes.
I know. I am with my transport truck like that.
Okay, good. Because if you hit a pothole with this, it'll be way worse.
Can I back up? Can I get up with this?
I'll show you. No, you can't get.
You can't?
Don't. Yeah, I wouldn't. Just use first gear.
Ah. I
Don't.
forget. I thought the truck, man.
Put the clutch in.
Yeah, I thought it's truck.
Okay. Clutch in, all the way. So if you guys have been following me on this journey, you guys know that I've been engaged for almost 3 years now, maybe a little bit more than 3 years. Before COVID hit, I was supposed to get married. Didn't end up happening. I kept getting pushed. And finally the time is here. I'm finally getting married. I'm really excited. And one big part of what I wanted to do with my wedding was actually take out my Audi R8 to the wedding. I absolutely love this car. And of course, I kind of had a dream, you know, not only getting my dream car, but taking my dream car to my wedding. And that was something that's important to me. But I'm also going in my limo with the groomsmen to the wedding venue. So I couldn't take the car and drive it there, which is kind of what I had in my mind. So, you know, I thought this is actually a great opportunity that my dad could take it there. And him and my mom were responsible for giving me the opportunity so that I can even get this car. So I thought, okay, put away the truck that you typically drive. My dad drives 18-wheelers, and use a clutch. And please remember to use a clutch and take the Audi R8 to the venue for me so I could have it there, take some pictures with it, and then come back home with it at the end of the night. So you can see kind of the hilarious stuff that happened in this video. I was just going back with him in this car. He hasn't driven this car in 4 years. The one time he drove it is when I bought it. He just took it around the parking lot and around our area and just to drive it a little bit, but he hasn't actually driven the car at all since then. So I just wanted to give him a little test drive before he goes out and drives this thing for an hour and 15 minutes to the venue, especially making sure that he knows and can still use the clutch, because he's so used to not using the clutch on his 18-wheelers. They all kind of just change gears without using the clutch, which is completely odd to me, but that's how it works in trucking land. So this is just a little bit of the testing that we did and just a little bit of the training and getting back into it with the Audi R8. So I'll leave you with this, but yeah, getting married, and this is going to be special. I'm glad I can have this car with me. So first thing you're going to do...
I put the key here.
No, don't put the key there.
Where I put it?
Put the key in here. No, the key goes in there.
Oh, where?
You open that.
Yes.
Okay. So before you... Okay, yep. So before you do anything, yes, just don't start it yet. Okay, you're in neutral.
So I am in neutral, I see that.
Okay, so...
Push the clutch
Push
and
the-
start?
And start the car.
Just turn it?
Just turn it. Okay. So, because it has the loud exhaust on, you're gonna go
How
in
you
here.
put the seat forward a little bit?
There's
Yeah, go
controls
ahead.
there. Okay.
Okay.
So, in here is a controller.
Where?
Open this.
What is
You
this?
see this little button? You're gonna turn off
Which?
the loud
Which
exhaust. This. Take that.
How I turn
You just use your fingers. You see it says
it? No,
off.
leave it like that.
It's gonna be too loud.
Okay, yeah, too loud. Yeah, off.
Off.
Yeah, off.
Okay. So then put that back. Okay.
Who's
So
that cocking?
that's the dash cam.
I put...
Okay. So first off, okay, go into first.
Yeah.
Just get used to the clutch point. This is you have to go like side. Again, this car's low, so just
oh,
go.
no, it's gonna hit.
Yes,
the
okay,
bottom.
so go very slow over this and then turn.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah. Why are you buying like that vehicle, Dad?
Just go slow. Okay,
Oh,
good,
yeah.
good. Okay, good. Good. Okay.
I'm not making quick like you. I know.
No, don't shift
You
the...
do.
Yeah.
You shift too quick.
Do you have your seatbelt on?
No,
Okay.
don't worry, that's it.
Okay, and these bumps like are... Just watch out for potholes.
I know. I am with my transport truck like that.
Okay, good. Because if you hit a pothole with this, it'll be way worse.
Can I back up? Can I get up with this?
I'll show you. No, you can't get.
You can't?
Don't. Yeah, I wouldn't. Just use first gear.
Ah. I
Don't.
forget. I thought the truck, man.
Put the clutch in.
Yeah, I thought it's truck.
Okay. clutch in
I
all the
know,
way.
I forget. I thought I truck.
Oh God.
I didn't make nothing.
Okay.
Happen. So I wanna lower, just clutch again.
Yes. Always clutch.
Yeah, I forget.
Okay, always
Because
clutch.
in the truck I don't use it.
Okay.
I know, nothing happened. Don't
Okay.
worry.
Keep driving. This is good. Always clutch.
I will be careful. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Neutral. That's
Okay.
it. No damage. Nothing happened. I didn't make it hard.
Okay, because...
Yeah, forget. Fuck. So I can back up. I can get up with 2, huh? You say?
No, don't do that. Just drive out of first gear.
Okay, I get it.
Okay. I just hope second gear wasn't damaged.
Come on, man.
Okay, well...
If little bit this happened, I didn't even put it in.
Well, this is not like a Toyota or Lexus. Okay. Nothing happened with the gear. Good. Okay, you're getting used to it. All right. Good.
And lower the gear. I make RPM a little bit more low.
Yeah.
And then I switch.
Yeah.
Like this. Now clutch. See how much?
Yes. Yes.
Because I don't use clutch.
Yeah.
This is the problem.
That's so weird that you don't use a clutch in the truck.
No, that just when I back up the truck and I stop.
Do all truck drivers not use their clutch?
Usually the old drivers, the new drivers still probably they use.
And you don't use it, why?
I save my clutch.
Yeah, but you could damage your gears, no?
No. Nice, smooth, link.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Oh,
So-
it's me?
Yes, that's you.
Oh, you're recording me.
Just focus on driving.
Yeah, I am focusing.
Is it not going in for some reason?
No, I don't. It's going in.
Okay, as long as the clutch is down, you can go in there.
Yeah,
Like, it has to
I
be
don't want-
fully down.
There you go.
Okay, there you go. There. Okay, don't do anything stupid. There's a police station right there. You just passed the police station.
I say my son get a wedding, I'm training.
Ah, yes. I'm sure that'll excuse them from a ticket.
Or I can make it like that and go through.
Yeah, you can just do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then just start out of first gear again.
Yeah.
Okay.
You worry about second gear now. I'm gonna make go second gear good. You think with damage, nothing happened that. And
Okay, good. And you're comfortable with that seat position?
yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
How is the light on?
The lights are automatic. You don't have to
Oh,
do nothing.
don't touch
Don't
nothing.
touch nothing. Just drive.
Look second gear.
Okay, good. Good. Now, I want you to find a parking lot. I'm going to show you how to reverse in case you need to reverse.
Let me enjoy it a little bit. That.
Yeah.
You see now I get a little more.
Okay, so you're good with this.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. It's just you drive trucks so often
Yeah.
without shifting, that scares me.
No, I put in my mind. I put here sticker. Put sticker here.
I'm
Somewhere,
gonna put a
anyway,
big neon sign here. Press the clutch.
Yeah, press the clutch.
Okay.
No truck.
If it isn't already a reminder that you're not in a truck. And don't do anything crazy
I
when we're
know.
driving there,
No,
okay?
that what?
All right.
Even you don't have to bring 300 RPM. That. It's
No, I
good.
know, but 2,500, let's say.
Yeah, 20. Even you can make 2.
I know, but for this engine, it's good to let it rev because it's
Oh.
only direct injected and the valves get a little bit of carbon buildup if you don't kind of rip it once in a while. Okay, good. Whew. Oh, my nerves are all
Okay.
melted away. You're ready.
So, what is the AC in case?
AC, if it's hot seats, AC,
Yeah.
you just turn this up, this is down, and it's blowing AC. All right, you've passed driver training.
Where is the cop shop?
The cop shop is just up ahead. Yeah, that's 6 gear, so now you're in 6.
Which we go 120, 130. It's not bad.
Yeah, yeah.
I can make with this 300 that.
Yeah, let's not do that. If you want to do that another time somewhere very safe, sure.
Highway 407.
Highway 407, yeah. You could probably do 300 on
Yeah.
there. On
one
some
shot.
of the straights.
One
yeah.
shot, you know what I mean?
Yeah. But there's a lot of cops
Yeah.
that are there.
Dad, I take my first driver license in Turkey. In Turkey, you have to go shifter to the exam, right?
Right,
Yeah,
right,
so-
right. But how many years ago was that?
Oh, I was 18 years old,
Okay.
actually. Yeah.
You know what?
No, not 18, sorry. 24, 25.
Okay, good. Passed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this funny and heartbreaking at some points, but funny video. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Really love the fact that you guys are a part of this channel, following me on this journey, on everything to do with my life and cars and motorcycles and detailing, and that's what I'll be doing going forward in the future. A lot more of, which is gonna be awesome. So obviously, just getting married, a lot of things are probably gonna change in my life, but the one thing that won't change is my passion for this. So gonna continue going on with just sharing my journeys and my story on cars and everything else, motorsports and motorcycle and car detailing related. And looking forward to it. 2022 is gonna be awesome. Get this marriage through the door, have a little bit of fun, and then have some more fun with all of you guys and share some of those adventures. I am going to be going on my honeymoon in Turkey, and part of what I'm going to do is Turkey's very beautiful. Like, honestly, some of the most stunning architecture, landscape, scenery, roads that you've ever seen in your life. And I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos there with some cars, so I'm really, really excited to share that with all of you guys as well. So again, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you guys in Turkey.